From Studio 3C and Rockefeller Center, this is News 4 New York.
Now to For Our Communities. All this week, we've been showcasing events in our community where people come together to help those in need. This weekend is Lighthouse International's third annual Double Up for Vision Bike Ride Walk. And joining us to talk about it are Rowena Saunders, she's the organizer of the event, and two participants, Missy and Morgan Adriazola, and that's Jorge Dad right there. So thank you all for being on the show. So Rowena, let's start with you and the event itself and what Lighthouse International is for those who don't know.
Sure. Lighthouse International is 105 years old, and it was started by the Holt sisters back then, and it is a vision care organization, and we are the lead organization in providing vision rehabilitation services to people who are blind and visually impaired.
Some may not know this, but 1 million New Yorkers are at risk for vision loss, and I understand 80% of vision loss is preventable. So this event is really trying to raise awareness. It's an ambitious bike ride, and it's teams, it's tandem. So tell me a little bit about the event.
Sure. The event is going to kick off on Friday morning, and we have 22 tandem cycling teams. And each one of those teams has a pilot on the front seat and a visually impaired rider on the back seat who has a compelling story about their vision loss. And it's designed to let folks know that people with vision loss can achieve anything.
Well, this is video from last year. This year we have some new riders, and they're here with us, Missy and Mighty Morgan. Now, Morgan hasn't really been on a bike before, but you guys are looking forward to the event. You felt that it was important to take part.
Absolutely. Morgan has retinopathy of prematurity. She was born blind, and she's going to be 3 next month. And this will be her first time sitting on a bike, and hopefully she'll stay on the bike.
And she's been practicing with the helmet.
With the helmet in class every single day, so she knows helmet and bike ride.
Bike ride?
You going to go on a bike ride?
Well, hopefully it's going to be a lot of fun. I know Mighty Morgan's in preschool, right, with
Yes,
Lighthouse International.
she
So
is.
how have you found the programs?
It's been great. They've been wonderful. The staff is amazing. She's learned so much in her just few weeks there. Her language has improved. Her just skills and orientation and mobility have been amazing.
That's great. So tell me a little bit more, Rowena, about the services and programs that you do offer that's available for people who may not have known before.
Sure. One of the most amazing programs that we have is our early intervention program, where we go out into the community, and our goal is to reach parents who have children with vision disabilities and to help them help their child reach important developmental milestones. Another is our Ethel and Samuel J. LaFrac School, which Morgan attends. It is an integrated preschool where there are children who are both blind and visually impaired, learning side by side with children who are sighted. We have a youth program that is really amazing, and it is for youth who are ages both 6 to 13 and 14 to 21. And it's all about teaching them social skills and getting acclimated and doing things that they haven't done before. And then there's our Low Vision Center, which provides comprehensive services to people with vision loss.
It's great. Well, a great event Friday and Saturday. For people who want more information, go to doubleupforvision.org, and 4 is the number 4, doubleupforvision.org. Thank you all for being on the show.
Thank you.
And that's going to do it for News 4 New York at 7. First Look New York is next. Thank you so much for joining us. Good night.